Traveling soon? Then make sure to watch this video till the very end, as this video we're about to tell you the best travel hacks that will change the game for you. Can't make space for more clothes? Don't worry, we got you. There's no such thing as too much clothes. Even with all the clothes in your suitcase, you'll still want to keep some more. This hack will save your day. Don't pack your clothes by folding them as you usually do. Instead, pack them by rolling them into tubes. To save even more space, do the same with your socks and keep them inside the tubes that you just created with your clothes. This will save you a lot of space. Will also prevent your clothes from getting extra crinkly. Get a power bank ASAP. A power bank or portable phone charger will be your ultimate best friend. This gadget is very small but will probably prove to be the most useful one during your trip. If your phone ever runs out of battery, this small battery charges your phone right on the spot, and you wouldn't even have to look for a charging spot with the correct charging pin for your phone, as this will charge your phone with the help of a USB cable. There are many options available now, so make sure to choose one that suits you best. Follow this hack to protect your stuff from pickpockets. No matter where we're traveling in the world, you can never be too sure that your stuff will always be safe with you. To prevent your stuff from getting stolen by local pickpockets, make sure to have extra dummies of your stuff. For example, keep an extra wallet, a fake phone, etc. This will trick those pickpockets and at the same time protect your stuff. Update your Google Maps settings to be able to use it offline. A new city and different people, of course you'll need someone to guide you through it all, and what better guide these days than Google Maps itself. But we can never be too sure about every other place around the city we're visiting to offer us free Wi-Fi, right? For that, Google Map has introduced a new setting where you can download the map beforehand and then use it offline in cases when you can't find an internet connection. This will save you a lot of time, and you won't even get lost trying to figure out your way. Get travel-sized essentials and zipper bags. This hack will literally save you and make things less chaotic for you. When you start buying stuff for your traveling, make sure to get everything travel size. They're called for that for a reason. Travel size toothpaste, toothbrush, makeup, shampoo, basically any of the essentials. And also get zipper bags. Zipper bags will help you stay organized throughout the trip and will also help you save space too. Set your toiletries in one bag, your makeup in the other, and so on. Mark your name on all of your things. To avoid making things too complicated at the airport, make sure to count your bags right and write your name on each one of them. This will prevent all your bags from getting lost and also help you with identifying which one is yours. Along with your name, mark your bags as fragile. This hack will make sure that none of your things inside your luggage leave their assigned place. Marking each one of your bags as fragile will make sure that your airport staff treat your bags with extra care and will even give you your bag first. In short, your bags will be getting their own little vacation if you mark each one of them as fragile. Make sure to keep yourself hydrated throughout your flight by following this simple hack. This next hack is for all of those who are traveling on very long flights. The very thing that you will need in order to survive these flights would be to stay hydrated. And no, we won't tell you to drink as much water as possible because, let's face it does get a little embarrassing to go to the toilet on the airplane every now and then. Instead, you should drink a hydration multiplier. This hydration multiplier will hydrate your body twice than what simple water can. It's just like an energy drink. You can get a packet of that from any store and make sure to check the label if you have any sort of allergies. Get a photocopy of your passport. Even with checking things twice or thrice, you may forget some of the most important things, and in this case of traveling, that thing could be our passport. To avoid any inconvenience, make sure to scan your passport and email it to yourself to have a backup, just in case. If not that, then take a photocopy of it and keep it with you at all times. Keeping a copy of your passport in your wallet might be a good idea as it wouldn't get lost easily. Other than the passport, make sure that you have a picture of your ticket and your visa on your phone as well. Always make a packing checklist. A little similar to the last hack we just talked about, make sure to make a checklist on your phone for every travel spot that you're planning to go to so that you don't leave any of your stuff behind. Always double check everything before leaving. Pack an oversized scarf with you always. No one can predict the weather of any place on this earth, not even a place, but sometimes long flights can get a little cold too. Even if you ask for a blanket from the flight attendant, there is no denying the fact that it sometimes fails to give you warmth when needed. For that, always keep an extra oversized scarf with you to avoid any discomfort throughout your travels. You can even style the scarf in a lot of ways and unleash the inner stylist in you. Get a good pair of noise-canceling headphones. This hack will definitely change the game for you. We obviously cannot control the crying baby on the airplane or that one person who just loves to talk. All of that can sometimes make anyone's head throb with pain. In order to avoid all of that, you should get noise-canceling headphones. And they don't have to be extra expensive. There are plenty of cheap options available these days that will save you from having your very own mental breakdown. No need to make way for your shoes, just get shower caps for them. No sane person would want to keep their shoes next to their neat and clean clothes, right? For that, just get shower caps. You can keep your shoes in them and put them right next to your clothes without the risk of your stuff getting dirty. Want to avoid getting your earphones and cable chargers from getting tangled in the worst way possible? Follow this hack. No one loves to spend their time untangling headphones and phone chargers. To make sure that these long cables stay neat at all times, get an extra sunglasses case. Put your earphones or chargers in it, and once you open the case, everything will still be in place. Get a dryer sheet to make your clothes look fresh at all times. By putting a dryer sheet with your clothes, you'll ensure that they do not get any kind of smell in them when staying in your suitcase for such long hours, and they'll make them appear fresh whenever you take them out of your bag. Take a picture of the parking slot where you parked your car in. Before traveling, take a picture of the parking lot where you have parked your car, since most of the time people tend to forget where they last parked. Book your flights through apps. Every single thing is now accessible by the touch of your fingers, and while booking your flights, online has become old. Every traveling company has now launched an app of their own. And the main perk of that for you is that they offer discount codes on flights for the first-time travelers. So whenever you're booking your flight, book it from a different travel company app and get discounts from there. Last but not least, get extra camera batteries and memory cards. Nothing sucks more than not having pictures from the trip where you just traveled to. No matter how amazing the trip went, everything in the end comes down to pictures and how great they really have turned out to be. To prevent your camera from dying out and to allow yourself to take as many pictures as you want, get extra battery cameras and memory cards. If you're traveling for the very first time, then do emphasize on this hack, as this is more important than the others. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one.